Get the most out of your camping expedition. There are so many things to think about when it comes to camping. It can seem like there is too much to handle when you try and go camping. Yet once you break it down, it isn't all that difficult to plan out a camping trip. You can learn that ahead. If you are going backcountry camping, you should probably carry a snake bite kit in your gear. The best snake bite kits are the ones that use suction. Some kits have scalpels and blood flow constrictors in them. Scalpels can actually cut the poison into the bloodstream faster, and constrictors can be deadly if not used properly. If you are going on a camping adventure, make sure you have enough time to set up camp before dark. It can be extremely difficult to set up camp in the dark and possibly unsafe. You need to be able to scout the terrain, prepare bedding, and possibly build some temporary shelter prior to the sun going down. Camping is definitely a fun time, but there might also be uninvited guests at your campsite. Who are these guests? Bugs. This is their environment and they like camping, too. Make sure you have bug repellent with you to tell them to stay at their own campsite or to go visit other campers who weren't quite as prepared as you were. If you are interested in camping, and you are new to the activity, then you should never start out alone. It can be quite dangerous if you don't know what you are doing, so it is important to bring along an experienced friend to help you learn the ropes. Getting to know what there is to know about camping is a good thing to have in your head. Even if you aren't going to plan out a camping trip anytime soon, it is at least a good idea to make sure that you know what it does take to go camping for future advice. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pin today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.